G'day everyone, Andy Bushman here. I'm at a little place farm called Little Sherwood Farm. See here? Look at this cute cow, eh? So how cute is that, eh? How bloody cute is that? Yeah, got tied up, eh? So it looks good. Farm looks magnificent, eh? That's my life crew, and yeah, it looks great. Man here. See what I do with favourite animals. Yeah, packages, eh? Had my fur off, eh? One's in a fur. Had up, because I'm not sure I'm chased off properly. Look at colourful houses, eh? Look, many colourful houses, eh? Where the animals live. That's really funny, eh? It's good, eh? How good is that? Right? Cute alpaca. Looks like a llama, right? Cute llama. Good, eh? Playground the kids play on. So, feeding station right here. And it's a little Sherwood truck, food truck. Looks spanking good, eh? What a gorgeous day to be out with my Fit for Life crew. Good day. Hey Bambi, you in the shade, aren't you, eh? You in the shade, bloody shade, eh? Away from the heat. So yeah. How many? Oh man, how many goats and gaming sheep? How many sheep are there, eh? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, holy see. Fucking hell. Hello goat. Hello sheep. Hello goats. Hello sheep. Hello goats. Oh my god. Yelling, screaming, screaming sheep, screaming goats. Couple donkeys, eh? Couple jackasses, eh? Oh my goodness. He's staring at me. Oh my goodness. Oh, cool, like cow. What's that cow? Is he coming to me, eh?
Yeah.
His name is Jesse.
Jesse.
Jesse, big.
And Rosie.
Rosie, yeah, they're good cows, eh? Oh my goodness. They're such a big fatties, eh? Big fat cows, eh? Oh my goodness. Great for me.
No.